Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. So they're right so far.
I wanted to give you your space.
You give me.
You deserve your space.
Guys, we're waiting for a couple quickly. Where's that dog coming from?
You've got.
But I've never had a straight body, Dlamini, even when I was fat.
No, ama hips got the one I call.
Hey, I told it even when I was fat. Guys, it's not that deep. I only lost 6 kgs. It's only 6 kgs.
That's
not that
a lot.
deep, but I worked hard. I worked hard, okay?
Yeah.
Hi, guys. How are you? Why are you guys scared? Come close. I don't bite, guys. Listen, I'm Lisa Ne from CMTV. We go around asking couples questions. Okay. Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Would you be okay with me asking you questions? Okay. You guys agreed so easily. Come this way, my scat. I mean, it's December. We're bored. Let's just play. Name?
Kamokhelo.
Kamokhelo and?
Asanda.
Asanda, you're so pretty. Has anyone told you that? Yes, sis. You're pretty. Hey, you mop the floor with us.
No.
Your girl is pretty. You've got taste, one. Were the previous exes this pretty?
Yeah, ne.
So this is your best? You said Asanda, ne?
Yes.
So
Asanda's your best?
Yeah, Sunday is my best girlfriend.
At least you agree.
Yeah.
She's a what?
Supportive.
Supportive. But and pretty.
Yes.
And Gita was talking about beauty. She can be pretty and a horrible person.
Aish.
You never know. Asan, and you say a girl can be pretty, but she's a horrible person. And she's a gold digger. Is she a gold digger?
No.
Okay, fine. How long have you guys been together?
8 months.
8 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yes.
Asanda, where did you meet him?
I meet him at Southgate.
Southgate. Really?
Yes.
And what's the first thing that he said to you? Do you remember?
Yes.
What was it?
He came and told me that he really likes me.
Uh-huh. He likes your looks because he didn't know your personality by then. So what did you like, Kamo?
Yo, mbona ubuhle bakhe kahle.
Nefika. So then, what did you say to her? Obviously, you like her.
Yeah, ngimtshebile ukuthi ngiyamthanda.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, avuma. Yes.
Oh, you asked her out on the same day?
Vele ngamtshela. Sivele sakhuluma.
Asanda Khanmeni. So he approaches you and says he likes you.
Yes.
Does he then ask you to be his girlfriend on the spot? Does he ask you to be his girlfriend on the spot, like on the same day? You know what? I don't blame you because that's how we used to do it, like back in the day. Remember back in the day when we used to play outside in the township?
Yeah.
And then a boy would just ask you on the day to be his girlfriend. Vela, that's ukshela, ne?
Yes.
Not these things, I'm a talking stage. Do you get me? So you guys didn't have talking stages and stuff?
No.
You just dated immediately? Okay, do you trust him then?
Yeah, I trust him.
Give me on a scale of 1 to 10.
9.
9. Okay, come. Rate her.
10.
10.
Yeah.
So in the 8 months you guys have been together, there hasn't been cheating or anything like that?
No.
How do you guys know?
Because ngaze ngambona ngichitela. Busy na.
Okay, you know what we do on the show now? We basically make couples switch phones, right? You guys go through each other's WhatsApps and just check if any of you are cheating on each other.
Yeah.
Would you be open to doing that?
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind.
You don't mind? Asand?
I don't mind.
Don't put this relationship aside, Asand. You don't mind? Okay, guys, please can I have your cell phones? Alarms? Should we? Okay, we'll start with Asand. Okay, can I please have your password in it? Thank you. Go to her WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you. Just search at the top there. Okay, what do you see, Gama?
Yes, mbona
Yeah. Okay, nothing dodgy, delete. Type miss you.
same uprising mbona
Nyansu, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching a woman.
let's say
Hey. Okay, what do you see?
yo.
Asanda wenzandon. Sibona izinto up. Going to the chat. Bulanda, who was fetching you? That's not Kama.
See him, bro.
Asanda. Sibona izinto up. Who was fetching you? Go into pictures. Let's see what they're sending each other.
Yo,
Asanda. You're sending bikini pictures when?
Marana.
What's happening?
Nothing.
Nothing is happening.
Hey.
Tato, who's Tato?
Yeah. That was the boy I was dating with him.
So Tato's your ex.
Yes.
But these pictures, Jenna, and these conversations are new. These are not old.
Yeah. Tato texted me and he told me that you want the last back.
So when you took him back?
I was going to tell well, like I'm going back to my ex.
Oh my God.
Things.
Oh my God. Asanda. Does Tato know that you're dating Kamo?
No.
Let's call Tato. So Tato can know when he is manga. Upper Stratweni. Kamo, you tongue-tied. Say something. I can't be angry alone. Kini lomfazi.
Yangisukela sana.
Uyamsile Asanda. Asanda, you've got nothing to say. So you were going to leave Ukamo and go back to Utato. When were you planning to tell Ukamo?
I was going to tell him, but not now.
When? Because it's the end of the year. You might as well end the relationships you don't want to be in and go back to the love of your life, Mos. Am I lying?
I'm not lying.
So then? Kamo, you've got nothing to say.
Yo, ngiphela amandla.
Ukyafil.
Azingathini.
Oh my God. Nangu Tata ngaphenduli. You've got nothing to say to me.
Dial does not exist.
Oh, Tiza. Oh, lento uzabet nana. So kana direct number lo muntu wakho. Umuntu wakho una WhatsApp wena kana the number he's using is not for direct calls, it's for WhatsApp only. Lento mazana nje. Suthula. Uyamazi umuntu wakho. Nawe ngaphenduli. Oh, hi, am I speaking to Tato?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Tato?
Yes, it's Tato.
Ask him.
Sure, Kaw, khambani.
Next ubani.
Waboringa noKamo.
Ask him if he knows Asanda.
Yamazwi Asanda ngithi.
Yeah.
Usana yamka.
Ya manje khambani between wena no Asanda.
Asana Miriam mfethu.
Yangisukela Kaw.
Wena ubani sipani?
Mina nguKamo.
Ukama ku.
Asemsotha ka. Awuthi akasanda.
Hayi mfethu ungazongitshela into ongitshela ngoba athanda imedium mfethu sina 3 years.
Ah manje
Yes.
ungazongisukela ka.
Sina 3 years izwana noAsanda wena bhalo unokuphi wena kanti yini ngathi uzongihlokoza kanje.
Awuna ngijwayela ka.
Mfethu athanda imedium sina 3 years kuye ukuphi wena Asanda wakhona.
Yonami.
So ukamo yiside. Ukamo yiside.
No.
Yo kushuthi ngisayini.
Sure.
Mfethu awukwazi.
Nangu Asanda thatha nangu Asanda uyakuthutha.
Hello Asanda.
Sharp.
Manje yini into yenzakalani lapho ngoba ngathi kuyeke uyenzani lapho ukama ubani lo gama loyo.
La ukama umunye umfana kanje ngihlangane naye eSouthgate obvious.
Yo.
Manje nifonela mina kenzakalani ngalokho amakhona ungenaphi ukama manje.
Bayajola.
Like mina nokami siyajola.
Ngiyajola manje 3 years yami nawe manje yenzakalani ngikho nokama lesikhathi esingakanani ujola nokama.
Mina nokami sina 8 months sijola.
Na 6 months.
8 months.
8 months amtshela ukama manje ukuthi mina nawe sina nomntana nokuba nomntana.
Ngangazongitshayela kabo wena.
Awunamntana le Asanda uyaqwa.
Nanginamntana.
Claiming your territory, marking your territory sana thatha.
Mawulini manje ukama khona ubani manje ukama lo kanti kenzakalani ngathi.
Like it's you tell ukaba umuntu wami. And then now
Mamela ndimi olate ne. See, we found Asanda walking with Ukamo, so we just wanted to ask him a few questions. We are a show, yeah, and you and Ivan, eh?
Ngiyakuzwa.
So when we searched ifoni ka Asanda, sifumana wena, which means uchitela Ukamo. But now if you've been with her for 3 years, it means that Ukamo is side.
Iside ukama into engiyaziyo na ngoba wami lo muntu lo wawo.
So uzohlala because ewe ngowakho, but she's cheating as well on you.
Eish,
Yayiva ke ngoku, are you going to stay with her ke ngoku?
singiyadideka sisoma ngandastand kenzakalani.
Yho, hayi Thato. Thato kaloku Asanda's cheating on you with Ukamo, and she's been with Ukamo for 8 months. So I'm
Ngakhethe ke kuthena ufuna bani.
Makakhethe, okay. Khetha ke Asanda. Who do you choose?
ngizoyichoose ukami.
Ufuna Ukamo?
Phela like lokudala mina naye sijola, so izinto like ezinye sengizibonile ukuthi like iside lakhe linjani. Uyabona?
Yho, uyava Thato?
Yeva mama.
Ufuna Ukamo ke sana.
Hey ubani lo kama khona lo.
I-boyfriend yakhe kaloku of 8 months.
Eish. Ngicela ukudrop ifoni sister bazekhetha bayithula bobani.
Okay. So Ukamo, are you going to stay with Asanda?
Yo.
Because you choose wena.
Move on.
Ufuna move on ne? Ndiyakuva mina. Asanda? So uyamlahla?
Ngiyamlahla.
Okay.
Phela ngenza isilima. Ngithengele ifoni last week.
Umthengele ifoni? Bila nje kuchuza ucaba uthatho wakho akakuthengele ifoni in the 3 years we've been together. Right mlahla. But Ukamo ke ngoku awufuna uhlala nawe?
Mina ngifuna ukuhlala ngisamfoni sharp ngani.
Okay, that's fine. Noba uthathe ifoni yakho even.
Ubuyele kuThapha.
Okay.
Ubuyele kuThapha.
Uyava ke Asanda usabuyela kuthatha? Uzobuyela?
Ngizobuyela, so ifoni yakho uyifuna back or
Ungiphi ifoni yami ngicathuke bese ngisithini.
Yho, hayi Kamo.
Imali yami.
Hayi ma.
thula wena.
Hayi Kamo, wait Kamo, we didn't check your phone.
Yeah, mfoni.
Yeah, we need to check your phone. Kini? Vula ifoni iqala. But yini Kamo kamnika iSIM card yakhe. Ungathi ube neSIM card. Okay. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type there at the top, love you. That's you, Asanda.
Yeah. That is me.
Okay, delete. Type miss you. You again.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that.
Mark, I'm not the only one here.
Okay. Do you see anything dodgy?
Who is Nhlulelo?
Who? How do you say? Hlulelo.
Yo, to female paste young.
Female bestie. Okay, go into the chat. Let's see. Just check if it's a female bestie. But
So for me, female pest yakho mara like ngathi ngiyajola like even though ama chats.
As Jude.
but the friend let's chat in general. Okanye you're forced to ufumane into because you're cheating. Asanda mna
Mara it's just a female pest, yeah.
I really don't see flirting mna and Asanda so forced. I don't see anything. So forced Asanda. Asanda so forced.
And I can't tell me Selewa.
So ithathe phone kabo. We still need to check.
You don't have another word.
Okay. She's determined. It's fine. Type babe. Uyahleka kodwa uchithile. Babe, type babe. That's you at the top again. Okay, delete. Asana, if he has not said babe to anyone else but you, I don't think we're gonna find anything. But let's finish the words outside. That's you again.
Yes. That's not
Okay, delete that. Type test. There's nothing there.
yes.
Okay, delete that. Type last night. Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type date. Oh, cha.
Okay, so nothing.
No, there's nothing. He is fine. Sorry, Thomas. There's nothing. Okay, delete. Oh, he's walking his dog, Lams. Oh, kasagqitha apha la mfana. Delete that. Type meet. Oh, he's fine. He's so fine. No, there's nothing. Delete that. Type pregnant. That's our last word. Nothing. Take your phone, Kamo. You're not cheating. You were loyal. What do you have to say for yourself? Do you feel guilty? Vela, why did you cheat, Asan?
Because that guy was dating for 3 years. Like, he was busy, like, begang shaya and akangithegelang phone. So, ukam like, bengibona ukuthi umuntu right. Uzongenzela like everything engiyifunayo.
So, when were you planning to let go of Utatu, ulahla Utatu?
Uthathe bengithe ngizomlahla mara hayi like no because like uthathe like umuntu ohlanya manje ngitshela ukuthi ngiyamlahla angeza like angifuna until aze angithola ngishena lo muntu lo ngijola naye.
I'm sorry. Okay, Kamo. Explain Ilu Asanda. Are you gonna leave still?
Still, I'm leaving.
Okay, guys, you guys can go on about your business. Ne? I'm sorry I ruined your day. You guys can either go together, or you can go with your man and beg him the whole way. Where were you guys going?
Go to
Hayi uzoyakubo mina ngiyajika ngihamba ngiyi-1. Cela icathulo zami.
Mlandele ke hamba ke Kamo. Usixolo va, I'm so sorry. So tumkhululise mani Kamo kushushu. You already took your phone. Akushushu for uhamba ucenge indoda kule. The whole way you muqangana nendoda. Yo Dlamini, that guy I saw, he's so fine. Thina ngagqithanga phala mfana. I was just gonna greet and ask to play with his dog. And that would be me shooting my shot. Chris, that guy is hot, ne? Even Chris is agreeing. Are you okay? Shame, Plums. I'm joking, he's not hot. He's not hot, Dlamini. Dlamini is not hot. It's not hot. Plums is not hot. I was joking. Dlamini, are you mad now? Are you mad at me? Okay, guys, let's close. Dlamini is mad. Plumsy! Josh! Nene! Lily! Dlamini! Plums! Lily! Guys, Dlamini is mad. I will never compliment another man ever again in front of Dlamini. Okay, shall we wrap? Yeah, no, let's wrap. Alright, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and of course follow Dlams. Dlamini _ 8888888888. Bye!
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be Yaste Prebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile uyithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani njena ngokama?
Yes.
Awumafezi ngadlala.